What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to a brand new video. Now summer is officially over, and that means as a good parent we have to give our child, a last minute bath before it gets too cold outside to do so. That's the first thing we gotta do today. Let's get started.
Hey, don't drink the water.
She's actually a really good girl when it comes to bath time. She's just chilling. I think it's probably because she just likes being touched all the time. One of the reasons why I really wanted a Doberman was because I like the short hair. Thinking that, I don't know why, but I thought short hair didn't shed like that. Boy, was I wrong. She sheds crazy. Giving her these baths really do help with getting all that dead hair off. Alright, come here. So, didn't finish washing. Actually, no, almost done. But she kind of left. And she decided she's going to go back inside. So, she's really not trying to finish up. Come here. Come on. Oh, you're such a good girl. Let's go. Come. Alright, now that that's out the way, it's time for me to get ready and start my day. I gotta get clean and see what's on the calendar for today. So usually I will pretty much log everything on my phone. I will log everything the night before so I have an idea what I'm doing the next day and kind of just follow a schedule so I don't really miss anything. And as I mentioned, I'm giving up the apartment, so that's probably the top priority. The main thing that I have to get accomplished, make sure it's ready for the next person that takes it. Yeah, time to give it up. And there's a few other small items I really want to get done that's in my calendar to knock it off before Monday. I have some clients that are looking at properties today. I'm not physically showing it to them, but I want to tap in with them and see how they did. Did they like the property? Do they want to submit an offer on it? A couple YouTube videos to edit, including this one. And some reels, a lot of content, and just, real estate work. So let's get started and come along with the day. You're clean now. Can you stay clean? All right, let me stop playing and get this day started. All right, so we're now dressed, ready to go. I have all my content gear with me. Check me out, check me out. I haven't been able to eat breakfast yet. I'm running a bit late. It's 12:30. I got a meeting at 1:30. So do I risk it, try to go get breakfast, or do I just say, let me be professional, skip breakfast, get to my meeting on time? Haven't decided yet.
Really, truth is, I get caught cheating, take all this away.
Not only am I late, but I also forgot that I was picking up Chad, so will I make this 1:30 appointment? I'm not sure.
All he did was he took the thing and already showed it work.
Right.
Look at house party.
Alright, so we're just back in the apartment now. A little bittersweet. So everything is all cleaned out. As you can see from the title of the video that I mentioned before, I'm giving up my apartment. It's good and bad, right? Because after renovating a place, you kind of have to give it up so you can make some money, but you put so much work into it that you're like, I really like the space. And there's no point in me keeping it for myself since I won't be living here. Cleaned out everything. The new tenant is supposed to come today to take care of, they wanted to come a little bit early because it's not the first yet. So before the first of the month, they wanted to come to clean up the stove. Even though everything is new, some people just want to there's still maybe dust, but nothing's been used. Nothing's been used, right? So the stove is still new and clean. There's nothing in the cabinets, but she still wants to come and clean up, which is respectable, of course. We didn't use the fridge, still brand new. And the freezer just has some ice in there that the contractors were using because they were working during the summer and it was hot. Next order of business, well, I have to make some copies of the keys to give to her, hand over the copies of the keys, move on from this apartment, gonna move on to another apartment. And I'm really excited about the work. If you follow me on Instagram, then you probably see more behind the scenes of how I did this apartment, the work it took, the money it cost, If you're not, then you should check the description below, follow me on Instagram, and then you get more behind the scenes content. If I haven't given you an update yet, just so you know what's going on, let me show you. Even like painting the radiators black, that was something we wanted to do to make it like blend in more with the appliances. So stainless steel appliances, 5 burners, above the range microwave. The cabinetry is all new as well. There's like soft close cabinetry. We added recessed lights throughout. That's probably really bright, but just to get an idea. We put a doorbell in that wasn't always here. This is the hallway, which we renovated as well. What else is new? Oh, the bathroom is new as well. So, like new mirror, new lighting fixtures, new vanity, new faucet, new toilet. That's a toilet. New shower, new tiles, new shower head, new vents, all that good stuff. And like, you did new floors, new thresholds for the transitions. We pretty much just tried to make sure that we didn't miss anything. And like, you can't get anything perfect, but we wanted to really take it seriously as far as how we did this renovation. And I'm just proud of how it came out. Excited to give it to somebody new. And you know, hopefully they love it as much as, and they appreciate all the work that we put in. We're gonna finish with those last minute items. Me and Chad are probably gonna get some food. We don't know where we're gonna go yet. Somewhere we haven't tried to see if it's worth it. Then we can add a new restaurant to our list. Any suggestions on where you wanna go?
You wanna go around the outpost?
Oh, you never been there?
Been there before?
I told you that.
I've been there.
Yeah.
It's good.
It was good. I almost forgot that I was supposed to check in on the client. Any questions whatsoever about any of the properties?
I think this one would be my first choice between the two for sure.
Did you want to submit an offer on any of those properties?
Yeah, actually.
So you can submit as many offers as you want while you're searching. There's no limit, and you're not bound to anything whatsoever. You submit the offer, and then just because you submit the offer doesn't guarantee that they'll actually accept it. Until you get an accepted offer, we're gonna keep on looking. All right, cool. Bye, house. Bye. It was nice seeing you. All the work I did. Till next time.
Other nigga ain't mind, I'm breaking from your mama. You can die today, I swear I still won't bring my blood.
Good Sunday, good Sunday. Chad, YouTube video coming out?
Everything coming out.
All right.
Content. Just drop it.
The people are watching, and you putting it. I'm gonna put it on my channel, so they're gonna be expecting.
Yo, just know it's coming.
You heard it here first. He said he's gonna drop it. Now he has no choice because it's gonna be out in the world. So now, when I drop it, and they go type in your name, they're gonna be like, "Where's the YouTube content?"
Alright, guys. When you type my name, the content gonna be there. If I said it, I gotta make it happen, right?
You gotta make it happen. Look, this is the restaurant that Chad picked. Sonara.
We'll let you know how it goes.
I don't even know if y'all can even hear me to begin with. Like, the music might just be way too loud. I put some subtitles if I need to. But I'm gonna blame Chad if it doesn't work out the way it should work out. I'm thinking about, first of all, I feel there's no way you can go to a Mexican restaurant and not get nachos. Like, I feel like that's just, or not get tacos. It's disrespectful.
I'm getting the fish and chips. I'm probably getting some Domino's, some tacos. Yeah, they might cheap too.
Alright, so while we're waiting for them to come take our order, let's talk about this apartment that I gave up. A little sad about it, but you know, gotta move on in business. So that 2-bedroom is going to...
You're only sad till you start making money.
Yeah, you're only sad till you start making money. That 2-bedroom is gonna go to a friend of a friend. And they're getting a really, really good price on it. I'm giving them the 2-bedroom for $1,600. Now in New York, a 2-bedroom I could probably get at minimum 22. So it's a pretty steep discount, but it's more about the relationship and the person I'm helping out, their friend. You know, it's just, I want to do something good for them, and I'm more concerned with them providing the rent on time than I am the actual money, if that makes sense, right? I want to make sure that I get paid when I'm supposed to get paid, and that someone takes care of the apartment, especially with all the work that I put into it. So that's what's really important to me. And now it can release me, right? So I get some more money coming in every month so that I can work on other projects going on, because as of now, there's about 3 to 4 projects that I need to work on, that I need to do renovations for you know, just for businesses that I want to do, like Peerspace, Airbnb, rentals, short term, medium term, and I can't have all these apartments vacant and not do anything about it. But enough about that. It's just a real estate vlog, and let's get into this food. Let me tell you what I ordered. It didn't come yet. It didn't take our order yet, but let me show you. I'm going with the fish and chips.
Because somebody else got it first.
I'm getting the fish and chips, and I'm gonna get a taco just
Because somebody suggested it first.
First of all, so you get a taco too?
Yeah, what kind are you getting? In fact, put your finger on it and then
Alright, so we're gonna put a finger on it and then get it.
I want a finger on it. What you getting?
Alright, ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Alright, so you get that. I'm getting the tinker. Yeah, there you go. Get your grilled chicken.
What you getting? What you getting?
This one.
Alright. Tinga chicken? Oh. I see what you gotta do.
Now we got our food. Let me show you what we got. I went with the fish and chips. You know, my soft taco, tinga chicken, and some peppers. So I went with the fish and chips and crispy tacos. Damn, bro.
Good meal. I picked good places.
Food was decent.
Thank you
very much.
Have a good night.
You too. What? It's on you today? Oh, hold on. Chad said it's on him today. I don't know if is this the first or is it the only time ever? This might be the first ever I've seen that. That's like, you know, he getting money out here. All right, so the food's pretty good. Had some fish and chips, had some tacos, had some frozen margaritas, and bill came out to about $72, which is not bad because in New York, you know, if you go outside, you're already down $1,000 just by stepping your foot on the sidewalk. So we'll take it. Finally back inside. Gonna wrap up the video here. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Alright, say bye. Peace. Oh, okay. See you next video. Are you licking your hooter? Oh, that's disrespectful. Oh, that's disrespectful. That's just disrespectful.